Here is our fourth topic in Unit 8, which is volume of cylinders, and this is our spicy video. As before, we'll be in this lower right-hand corner where it says volume of cylinders. So you'll have a spot to put the formula and then some worked examples. There are 2 of them for you. If you run out of space, you can go ahead, write it on the back side. Make sure you label it so that you know what to look for when you go back and look at it at a different time. This is what you'll see. This is the most generic form of your volume that you'll see, your area of the base times height. In this case, our base is a circle, and we know that to find the area of a circle, we do pi times the radius squared. So then for our volume, we would do pi times the radius squared, and then multiply that by the height of our cylinder. That brings us to our first example. The difference between medium and spicy is that in the spicy, we will give you the diameter of the circle, and then you would have to find the radius before you can do the volume part. So in this question, our height they give us is 8 centimeters, and our diameter is 14 centimeters. So if my diameter is 14, that means my radius has to be half of that. So that'll be 7 centimeters. Now working on our volume, we've got pi times our radius squared times our height, which is 8. Now for the delta math, we are going to use the pi button that gives us the decimal answer. So we need to make sure that we are in classic mode. If you don't remember how to do that, head on over to the area and circumference videos. They have a little tutorial on how to change that on your calculator. But for this, I'm just going to go ahead and type 7 squared, which I know is 49, times 8 times pi on my calculator. And that gives me a total of 1,231.504 and a bunch more decimals after that. We're asked to round to the nearest tenths. So that means I look at the hundredth spot. It's a 0, so we round down, and it becomes 1,231.5, so 5 tenths. And then our units are centimeters cubed, because remember, volume is a 3-dimensional measurement. Here's our second example. We're going to do the same thing. They give us the height is 16 feet, and our diameter is 6 feet. So to find the radius, we cut the diameter in half. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 feet. Now I plug that into our volume formula. We have pi times 3 squared times 16, which is our height. Plugging that all in, I know that 3 squared is 9. So if I plug 9 times 16 times pi on the calculator, I get 452.389, and then a bunch more numbers after that. Again, we're rounding to the tenths place. So I look at the hundredths column, which is an 8, and that tells me to round up. So this 3 goes up 1 number, and my final answer is 452.4, and then feet cubed. With that, you've seen what the spicy level questions on Delta Math look like, so head on over there and get started on it.